The Sunshine Girls secured their third straight win in Pool A at the Commonwealth Games after outclassing Barbados 103-24 on Monday. It was a netball masterclass for the Jamaicans as they outscored their Caribbean neighbours 23-5 in the first quarter. The Sunshine Girls stepped up the scoring in the second quarter, scoring 28 goals, and were already out of sight at the halftime break, 59-9. After a 22-8 scoreline at the end of the third quarter, the Jamaicans had their biggest scoring performance in the fourth as they scored 30 goals. Shimona Nelson led the scoring for Jamaica as she scored 58 goals from 60 attempts. Janelle Fowler, who only featured in the fourth quarter, netted 24 goals from 27 attempts. Captain Shamira Sterling racked up 12 interceptions for the Jamaicans. Monday's victory follows a 72-43 win over Wales in their opening game on Friday and a 68-49 triumph over South Africa on Saturday. The Sunshine Girls will next play Scotland on Tuesday before meeting Australia in their final Pool A game on Thursday.